Hey people, well, I just wanted to show off my newest acquisition. This is a 1970's Kmart made by Lakewood model K-223. Yes, this is another first gen K-223. I know I already had two of these before I got this one. But this one's still different from the other two. That has a motor that neither of the other two have, and that is a Marco motor. Yes, now I have a first gen K-223 with all three motors. And this is also the second Lakewood box fan I have with that particular motor. The first being that one avocado P223 that I have. I also got this one because it comes with the original box. Yeah, that's why I also got this one. So I could have one with the original box that I intend to keep, not just for the box, but for both the fan and the box together. Yeah, this is the same patriotic style box that they used probably from 1975 to about 1980 or so. It has the first gen K-223 in design on the box. They still have that fan on there even during the first few years of the second gen. The box is not in perfect shape, but at least it's not in rough shape. Maybe it's still got some water stains on the front and the back, as you can see. There's also a couple of nicks on the front side. It's not the side I intend to show. There's the top. This is what it looks like on both sides. And here's the side I meant to have facing out. This is the better side. Here's all the features. You can pause the tape if you want to read all that, otherwise I'm going to continue on. The bottom of the box is in pretty rough. The bottom of the box, you can see, is in pretty rough shape, but I'm not worried about the bottom of the box because that side never really faces out. You see, it's got the shipping information on the bottom, which I think most boxes would have it on the top of the box. Not only does it have the box, but you also have the original instruction pamphlet. How to get the best results for a Kmart fan. Here's how to use it. Here's the diagrams of how to use it. There's the instructions for cleaning, care of the motors, which you really won't see in any instruction booklet for any fan use today. I mean, these days they don't care. They don't care whether your fan dies or not. And there's the, I guess, is the warranty information. And because I now have a K-223 that actually comes with its box that I intend to keep, I no longer need this box. This box here came with a second gen K-223 that I only got for the box. My friend Tori the Fan Man has the fan that came with this box, so since he has this box's original fan, I intend to give the box to him. So now on to the fan itself. And I got your first gen Lakewood blades. It's one side of the fan. Got the classic Kmart blue color. The other side. Cabinet on this fan is practically mint. Hardly any scratches or dings or anything. And no rust whatsoever inside or out. Here's the back of the fan. There's the Marco motor. This is now my second Lakewood with that particular motor. As I said, the first one was that avocado K-223 that I have. During the first few runs of this thing, I was hearing kind of thought it was a knocking noise, what I thought was a bearing knock, but it appeared to be, it was missing a spacer. Thankfully that was all it was, and thankfully I had a couple of extra spacers on hand. So now this thing runs smoothly without any knock or anything. Thank goodness it didn't have any bearing issues, which these Marco motors are notorious for. I'm definitely glad it didn't have the same problem with the other Marco motor I had when I first got it, that being a bent shaft, for which I had to replace. My friend Val Morris had to replace the rotor. So glad I got one of these with only minor problems, which I was able to fix. There's the top of the fan. Classic solid blue Kmart sticker. Since they don't put dates on these Marco motors, I'd have to guess this fan is anywhere from 1975 to probably 1977 at the latest. Though some would still use Marco motors probably in the 1978 and maybe into the 80s, since I've seen a few 80s era Lakewood box fans with Marco motors. We'll give this thing a demo. Here's high. I think like most of these, this one has the higher running speeds. Low is like medium, medium's like high, high is like super. So we go medium. Low is the only speed where I hear that knocking sound, but thanks to use spacer, that sound is gone and runs smoothly. So back to high, and as always, no double F spells off. And when at first few times I run this thing, the motor will make a scraping sound when I turn off, but it seems to have gone away after use, or a good bit of use. So there you have it. This is my 1970's Kmart Lakewood model K-223 with the Marco motor, along with the original box and instructions. So, thank you for watching.